And yeah, kasi bumili kami ng refrigerator. So it will be delivered tomorrow or later this afternoon. Makaroon sa hapon. It's a big refrigerator. My ate. Yeah. That's my ate. Ang init kasi. Super. Tapos akong kalogin lupad pa sa tricycle. Ano ni sao? Exact. Okay, so yeah, we're home and it's a bit tiring because and I'll show you later on how we unbox the big refrigerator that will be delivered tonight or later tomorrow or later this afternoon or maybe tomorrow morning. Kasi we went to the shop or to the appliance center and purchased a big refrigerator. So it will be delivered tomorrow or later this afternoon. So yeah, we will just wait and see. And I hope you guys like it all as well. So it's so hot here. So if you're new here in my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to share, like, and comments. Or yeah, you can send any comments or any suggestion on the comment section below. So yep, we're home. Bye for now, guys. So what's up, guys? We just got the refrigerator. Yeah. So yeah, we got our refrigerator. So we have now refrigerator. So here's the new refrigerator we've got. Let's open this one. Walang laman. It's empty yet. We haven't yet bought any groceries, so yeah. So that would be our refrigerator for now. So yes, hope you like this video. If you're new here on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell below. And I have more upcoming videos soon, so please share love by supporting my YouTube channel. So yeah, see you soon, guys. Adios.